I'm Harnish Thakkar. Today I'd like to unbox Q Core in front of you guys and show you what all you get in a Q box system. So before we unbox it, this is the box that you get a Q Core in. It is technically sealed with a serial number for better understanding of which Q Core, which serial number product you are getting. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so the moment you open Q Core, you get Q device and a box with certain accessories. Q device has a specific serial number built in to the system. So the moment you go ahead and install, this is the serial number you have to look for. You have 4 LEDs in the system, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all have their different system indications, which is power, LAN, KNX, and system. So the system means entire system, which is technically a home assistant, but that is working perfectly. If there is any issue, this system will identify and let you know that there is some issue in the system. Coming back to the ports, we have a power port for which the power supply is been given in the box, LAN port. Ideally, you can give any Ethernet port, but we recommend giving a non-PoE port for the longevity of the support of our product. We have this KNX port, and this is a reset button. So this reset button is your DHCP reset. So if you have fixed an IP address for this device and you want to remove that DHCP reservation, and there's an issue with the LAN configuration, you can just use this button to do that. Now, from this hardware, this is the device footprint. But there's one more important accessory that we are giving you, which will be part of unboxing of this accessory box. And let me unbox it for you. You get this power supply for powering this device, and this is cable for power to input this power. The most important part that we think to make the device very versatile for installations in a setup where this device needs to be put across the shelf, and there will be setup where this device is needed to be set up on the DIN rail along with your switch actuators and backend devices, and that's why we have included DIN rail mount accessory for you. This is quite optional, not an necessary. So you get 2 different screws and a DIN rail device, and this DIN rail device setup is exquisitely goes over here, and you can set it up, and this device exactly becomes a DIN rail mounted device, which we will show you how to use it during our installation video. So finally, to summarize, with Q Core you get Q Core device, which comes with a KNX port by default, and along with this you get a power supply, a cable, and an optional DIN rail mount kit for your centralized setups if you want to set it up in a distribution box. This is all for the today, for the unboxing video. Thank you.